Hello traders, welcome to today's simple Forex setup. We're about to start. A live stream is on. Hi Gary. Hi Soon, good to have you here. Feel free to pop your questions into the chat box. I'm going to start sharing the screen and let's have a look at some 4-hour charts. Alrighty, so first currency pair that I'm looking at and interested in taking a trade is the Gbp Jpy on the 4-hour. So this one has pulled back into that area close to the yellow EMA, and there's a nice pin bar on the daily. And now we had almost an inside bar and an engulfing. So I'm looking to enter above that. So let's place an order. We're going to put the stop loss 1, 2, 3, 4 under this fourth bar, the lowest point. So I'll put that as number 4. Everything else stays the same, and I'm looking for long. So I'm going to buy. There we go. So that's our pending order there. So let me just annotate that for anyone that is wanting to put that in manually. So this would be our entry, stop loss, and then the profit targets there. Okie doke. So let's have a look on the terminal. I'm going to take the price from there. So entry would be at 151.751. 751. So that's entry. There we go. And then stop loss is going to be at 50766. Stop loss at 150.766. So that's done. And then I'm looking at the profit targets. So profit target 1 is this one. And so that's DP1, 1527.736. Profit target 2. $153.721. Oh, target profit. There we go, that's better. Okay, and the target at the top, $154.706. There we go. So those are the levels that I'm looking to enter at on this particular currency pair, Gbp Jpy for hourly. All right, that's done. Looks good. Next, I'm going to have a look at Gbp Cad on the 4 hourly. This one was still going down, so I have moved the profit target a bit lower. Let me see, where is that at the moment? That should be profit target. Currently the profit target is at down here. No. Let me just drop an arrow. I can't see the price there. 1.6. There we go. 1.69626. Somewhere around there. Anyhow, there we go. And just looking to manage the stop loss, which is now a trailing stop. So that one, let's see. No, that's not working. Why is that not working? Here we go. I can move it down to maybe around there. Something like that. Around 1.73935. So let's have a look. Seven, 3.935. There we go. Great. So that's our trailing stop. Moved along. There. And giving it a bit of room. Let's see how we go with that. All right, the next chart is Euro USD. So that one I was actually interested in entering after that bar there, but on that 4 hourly bar didn't get triggered in, so I'm not in that trade. If there is another setup, I'm still looking for a short on this one, so let's see what happens next few bars. Next is Euro Jpy. So this one now has had a bit of a pullback to that trend line area. So looking for a setup now for some kind of pin bar or engulfing for a long on this one. Next one is Gbp Usd. So this one came up to that area there near the trend line, pardon me, but didn't have a good setup for a short, so I'm still waiting. So if it pulls back a bit further and gives us a good setup, then I would be interested then. Pardon me. The next currency pair is USD Cad. So that one's at the moment already too far away from the trend line. So I'm not looking to enter that one now or re-enter. USD Jpy. That one hasn't had a good enough pullback to the trend line, so I'm not looking to enter that at the moment. Aussie USD, so that's at the moment going sideways. It's still potentially looking like a short on the short time frame, with still possibly a long on the longer time frame, but there's no real decision here yet, so I'm still waiting for some good price action on that. And Euro AUD on the 4-hourly, that one is, yeah, still going a little bit sideways, not much direction at the moment. I'm still looking for a short, but I just need a good setup near the trend line. And Euro GBP, so that had quite a decent setup there. However, that was my nighttime, so I did not enter that trade. Let me just see. Yeah, still looking for a short on that. Still looks good for a short, but yeah, it's too late to enter now. So nothing to do on that one. All right, let me know if you have any questions. I'll check the chat box. Okay. Gbp Jpy. I went long last evening on bar 3. Gbp Jpy. Bar 3. Okay, yep, that's a good setup too. Awesome. Yep. Excellent. What is the name of the indicator you have on the chart that makes the beginning of each trading day? That marks the beginning of each trading day. I'm not sure what you mean. I don't have anything that marks the beginning of the trading day. That was from Gary. Can you elaborate exactly what you're looking at? The red tag at the base of the chart. Oh, okay. I think that's part of the software. I don't have that set manually or anything. That's just what's there. On yeah, possibly in the Traders Toolkit, but I'm not sure. I would have to check how that appears. Yeah, it's okay. Cool. Thanks. And Paul is asking, good morning. Good morning, Paul. For USD Cad, yeah, USD Cad. Yes, USD Cad. Are you looking at D1 trending to short? D1. Yes, I look on D1 for the actual direction. Yes. Will you not use H4 trend line to short? No. Yeah. So I not according to the to my strategy. So I use the D1 for the direction, and then I use the H4 for the entry setup. Yeah. So no, I will not use the H4 trend line at the moment for the setup. Okay, hope that answers all your questions. Any updates, as always, will be on the Telegram group. I will pop a link. Do I have a link? Let me just have a look. You're welcome, Paul. Let me see if I can get that link there for you. No. There is a link probably somewhere around this video for the Forex setups in a circle. So for any trade setup updates or trade management updates, it will be there. So awesome. Thank you very much for coming along to today's show and for participating, asking questions. And I hope to see you next week. The show will be on again next week on Tuesday and Wednesday at 9 a.m. Singapore time. All the best. Bye for now.